Hi everyone. I think about selling or buying. For most people, a home is their biggest investment, and that is why you want to make the smartest move possible. I wanted to give you a free copy of my book, packed with a strategy to help sellers to get the top dollars and buyers buy with confidence. For sellers, you'll discover how to avoid costly mistakes, the best marketing to attract buyers, and how to negotiate like a pro. For buyers, you'll discover the best loan program, how to avoid expensive mistakes, and negotiation tips that keep you from overpaying. Most people don't realize how much goes into buying or selling a home, and that's why I create this book for you. And the best part is totally free. Just click the link below, grab your copy today, and make your next move the smartest one yet.